She was very nice to me. She was kind, and we used to laugh a lot, on texting, and everything was just fine. And I decided to come here, and I told her before, like not just once, a lot of times. And she said she will be very glad to see me. And I was in Moscow, she was fine. I was in Petersburg, she was fine. And we were talking when I was in Delhi airport, right? And it's not easy for me to travel Russia in this moment,
especially now.
So normally it's like just 8 hours from New Delhi to Moscow. Now it's just like I spend 34 hours in the flight. I changed several airports, That's really exhausting. When I was going to meet her, she said, "Okay, come at 7 p.m." And I was ready at 6 p.m. And I was brought my beautiful car, beautiful flower, beautiful suit. Everything was ready. And just all of a sudden she sent me a message. She said she can't. She can't do it. I'm just like, okay, you can't do it. Like, why? Like, I just start shaking, man. My heart was like beating like so fast, and I just start like crying. Like, why? Like, I came all the way. It was a very exhausting journey for me, It wasn't that easy. But maybe she didn't understand. She didn't feel me that way. And okay, just be friends. Spend time with me because I don't know anybody here, man. I was very alone. I didn't eat 5 days. I lost 10 kilos, man. This happened. This is a shot, right? There is no chance that she's gonna stay with you, or after marriage she also can broke up with you, right? And I have a perfect life in my country. I have nice house. Everything is perfect. But that's the point, right? I feel uncompleted, and she completes me. You know what I mean? I see that part of me is missing. I'm not proving her here that she's a bad person. She's very kind. She's brave. She's smart. She's beautiful. Everything is fine with her. But when I came here, and she said to me, no, at the last moment, how hard it is. There are so many beautiful girls here, so many beautiful girls in my country, so many beautiful girls everywhere here, right? But I'm still not finding anybody, because I'm the man of my word. And I was waiting for her still. And I was waiting for a reply, but she didn't. Hello guys, Osetian people. I love you so much. You show me a lot of respect here, and I'm very grateful for that. And I want to say thank you to everyone who support me, who's been with me, especially my brother Azamat and Marik. This is just like, I feel like home. I didn't feel anything strange or anything like racist here. Everyone is too nice to us, and I ask you guys to visit these places.